to subscribe yet.
Wait time. 2:44:08. Aye. Don't hot them. So then say this a fire hydrant. I'm not seeing no fire. Tough door. Some stay. Move. No one that space there. See if I eat that. Row, 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 row. Row. Me hungry too. Row, row. Yeah. Later. All right. Every day on the phone, I beg man food. I want piece. Passapedic. Yes. Hi. Take your foot off that bed. You dirty foot. If you put dirty foot on the bed. You know this. Talk to me, you know. Yeah. Hey, I'm doing it. Hey. You're the station there. Boom. Jesus Christ. Me hungry too. Looks like if you eat, yeah? Alright. That's all. Food. You. I know you a long time. I know you a long time. You thief me, man. And it now go so. A long time. I know you. You take people, man. You. If you leave people, man, alone. Me no friend. You eat out my food. Why you eat out my food? Eh? You is not good. Me know why you talk to me. No talk to me. Me no friend. You idiot. You a idiot. You idiot. Chat to me. Idiot. Mm-mm. No, no ask me that. Why you ask me that? No ask me that. Mm-mm. A 3 man me used to have. And the girl they over there so take with me man. Yeah. No ask me them question there. Nah, beard. No good for beard. Beard are no good sitting. Bearding are no good thing. Me nah beard, water gone. P R Q 1 5. Number 5. You are number 5. Number 5. 5 and 1 at 3,000. Bust up your face. Don't play with me. Don't play with me. You're bad. How bad you bad? Ah!
Ham chicken tonight, alright. Tomorrow we're gonna ham chicken. Chee 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 chee. Chee 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 chee.
I don't know, and turn up one place.
Hello?
Wait. What you doing at my house? Who you?
Where you in my house, though?
At my house.
Where from my bed?
And me buy me house. Me buy me sheet. This, me buy me sheet. Me king size sheet. Me buy Christmas. And this are me pillow. Me buy it. Me pillow. Me buy me pillow. My pillow.
Me walk come here, so. And me come around here, so. And me pay for your house. And move come here, so. And nobody never did that, so. And me left me sitting them. And go look food. This is for me, so. See, me have. You dash my friend. You dash my friend. I'm when my head setting. My head sitting. I'm a weed. You take all my weed and you dash weed on the ground. It's a good weed. No, I ain't so. You don't live here, so.
My house.
No.
Where your name?
No.
Where your name?
No.
Where your name?
No.
And my house this.
No. You never did there, so.
Me name.
This is for me place.
Me name Ver. Where your name?
Somebody then call me Jin, but me no be no. No.
Your name Jin?
Come out of my house.
Your name Jin?
Come out of my house. Come, put on my sitting now and come out of my house.
You say better than me.
And no.
Me not move.
Wait.
Me not move.
Come out of my house.
Who you?
He's a man or woman.
What that mean?
Me no like people.
We call man and woman. What that?
Me no like people.
What is man and woman?
Me no like people. Come out.
You don't like people?
Come out. Come out of my house. Come out of my house.
You don't like people? What name people?
Come out of my house.
Leave me shit alone.
Come out of my house.
Me buy this. Me pay money for this. Me buy this. Me take my money buy this.
So take your angle. Take your angle. Come out of my house.
Don't come on my bed.
Huh?
On my bed.
No.
No.
See, you see how I'm sitting in your bag there? See me headphone? Eh? I'm a bag. Even my toothbrush.
I know yours.
I feel me. I me buy down a bush market there, sir.
No.
Yes.
You see this?
And you take it. And you see it? You broke up me sin thing.
Me buy
Me broke up me sin thing.
Coal me buy for cook. This. Me go cook with me coal. You can't tell me nothing.
See me buckle. You man liquor.
I'm a cooking aisle. Me go cook flour and rice. Flour and rice, me and you.
What?
Me cook for me and you. Me.
Come out of my house.
I don't see house at my house.
Key.
At my house.
You change the lock.
Change the lock.
Come
Alright. Me make him stay at my house till me come back. And don't go up on the next bed. Stay upon the one till me come.
I feel me.
Yes. And sweep out the house. Soon come back. Love you, yeah? Me and you married. Me, you. you married.
So what kind of cause is no Father God? I never see this before. Mad people. A mad woman at it. Mad woman come in my house, two blouse and skirt. Come lay down on my bed. What could have caused all of this though, Father God? Take out me go with the whole of my sin thing. I don't want him back here. I don't want him back here. Take off your shoes. Yeah, babe. Mad woman.
Hey, Ver. What happened? From morning, me they look for you. Where they go? Come to me. Where they go? From morning, me I look for you. Come here. Ver, come here. You need to see me they talk to you. From morning, me I look for you. Where you gone? Huh? Me tell us you not to get up and come out of the yard at morning time. At least get something to eat and drink some tea. Where? What is wrong with you?
Me a peel me cane. Me hungry. From morning me a walk up and down.
Your food inside.
Me a go cook.
Cook what?
Food. Me a go a supermarket. Go buy food. I in a store. Go buy food. See me fireside down this way. Me not come in your kitchen.
Where? You're not man abandon your place, you know? What kind of cooking? You're not cooking. Come. Give me a stick, both cane. Where? Give me a stick. Give me a stick. What is wrong with you? You know, behave yourself. Eh? You know, behave yourself.
I feel me cane I want to take away.
See me throw a stick where...
My cane when me buy, you come to take away from me. Eh? You mind my business. Me and my cane. How you and your man stand together? How you they together? How you meet your man? How you love one man? We wanna day together for?
Where you know
You and him married?
Yes. You may not remember, but yes.
So no married?
We are married, yes.
Married.
And you want to know how me and him stay together so long? Through chemistry. You understand?
Chemistry.
Me cook for him, blend juice for him. When he come home from work, me massage him, give him nice body massage and something, and he do the same for me.
Like
we cook
massage
together.
like you take a needle and juke him
No, like me massage him like this.
And put
massage.
cursing oil on him
massage.
And Vaseline.
No cursing oil. You hear me? You see, listen to me very. A way to a man's heart is through his stomach.
Stomach.
Make sure, say.
Man have stomach? Eh?
Yes.
You say you love chat foolishness?
Yes.
You're mad. You.
Alright.
You're mad.
Alright, me mad. And you love me, not true? Me mad and you love me, not true?
I like you. Me love you.
You love me. Very. You know, say me love you.
My sister.
All when you go on with your madness. Eh?
Me mad?
No, me never say you're mad. Me say you go on with your madness.
You will call me mad?
You see, you listen to me. Mow your beard and change your clothes.
Beard?
Yes, you have to. Listen, remember me tell you every day you get up your beard and you change your clothes and you nice up yourself. Me buy your things and put inside for your use. You need to go beard now, you know, smell right.
What do you mean?
You know,
beard.
smell right.
What you mean? What you call beard? Me figure beard. Why you want me beard? Where you chat about beard? That
you
the
don't
word
go in the bathroom and you're going beard. You're going to turn on the shower and you're going beard. Swap up yourself. Nice up yourself with a rag and you roll on. You put under your arm, your deodorant. Yes.
Jesus.
You see it, you want beard. So come now. Me I go get a pill then.
And me go cook.
Figure. You not cook your dinner inside. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, everything in there. You hear me?
This one boy out the road.
You find man now? Because you ask me how me and my man stay together. You find man now?
If me find man now, he never last.
You mean he never last?
He never last. And he have a big house. And me and him live in there. And he like
Who
me.
are you very?
I go cook for him.
You cook for him? Now when I go road go burn down people place, come get your medication.
I cook for him.
What they do? Leave his stone. Put on his stone. Put on his stone there. Come on.
Yeah, Johnny, where the Johnny? You there in your shop? So me come. Can't work today. Johnny, this I get from bad to worse, you know. Me I tell you that. Yes, man. You can't go on so brother. Yeah, so me can't just there every time I expect. So I'm talking. You alright?
Me just wonder what make you sit down out here, so.
Alright, so brother, Thursday today Tuesday, what you talk about? Alright. Me come link you. Me I forward early. Me might do that before you open the shop or whatever the case may be, but yeah. Alright, cool. Johnny, boy, I don't know why Johnny I try to trick me at all times, you know.
Oh, yeah, me don't understand how you just sit down out here, so. So, me think of it all come inside.
No man, this thing is, this is Johnny's supposed to sort out my thing for a long time. Johnny I give me excuse. Me there wait for him, you know, sit down out there so, cause I thought more forward him, babe. But me there I know Johnny I tell me say me fi come in Thursday. Eh? Johnny I take me for eat that, you know.
So, you have to talk to him about it.
No. Right now, do me feel me no feel say me want talk nothing. Cause me call him a while ago, he pick up the phone. And he might answer the phone like say he no expect for forward there. So you know when somebody sit down, cause me think he up on him way.
And you just sit down there and waste
Me
your time.
bump and scared. Baby you just rough out some people can't stay. So me now put him for my brain for right now. So Thursday I go check him.
And when you go up there Thursday, you must be there.
Yeah, if you do that man, just watch. That time man, cause Johnny always little late. But he have to up in the shop cause I only way to make money. So what going with you?
We'll see.
How you day going so far?
Me did alright, me just... Me did a very me da look for.
Ah, Jesus. Hey, me tell you
Cause me
something.
figure our pill them and sit down and just...
You run off again. Jesus Christ. Alright, babe. Me know
Me
why
tell
you
her say she will go be and sit down and just...
vex with me, cause most time when me tell you the truth, you always take me on and make me feel like say boy, me come out of your family business and all them something there. What you need to do is to take her off of the road because she walk up and down too much. She have answer on my own no. Just because she no look 100% mad. You understand?
Yes, me understand that, but me can't lock her down in the house, you know. Me have to make him come out the door and sit down and just free up himself and
Free up himself what? Until one day when she free up herself and in a problem, then we go take things serious. Take her off of the road. Do what you have to do. It can't be a case where she a roam street. Alright, every now and then no catch her and no come her here. Might force her to bed. And then what? You going back to your normal life? Eh? What do you think will happen when she do something out the road? And every time, me no like how she look for me, you know. She look for me like she want to do me something serious. Me no like that look, that energy there.
Vernon there none.
Jesus and pretty much you keep on saying Vernon. All me I say to you, you need to do something. Cause when things and stuff go hit the fan, you can't call me and say me this and me that, you know.
But me, you know, so me try my best. Me try, and me not give up, you know. Me not give up.
I think you love get emotional when you try.
Me not give up.
You're gone now. Like anytime you talk to your sister, I say me not talk to your sister, you know. You keep on a ball and I go on the most way.
Right now, I don't know where she gone, you know.
So she don't get her pill then?
No, me tell you, me give me pill them and say me walk go up there, so say. He might go cook and me take up stone, me say, put on your stone. I say, alright then. Me go in the house and say, alright, come. Me go give you your pill them and something.
So what now? You don't cook for her every time? Why all of a sudden she talk about she want to
I
cook?
don't know, she. Why me I feel like asking say what me do for you?
When go cook now?
How me and my man meet, when me like he basically asking say what me do for me and my man stay together.
Jesus, pretty much, you know, say a man she fine.
Yeah, me only married.
A man she fine.
Like you know, remember say we married.
Christ.
Say he no find no man because he man never last.
I go and cook for my husband now. Yes. I go cook for my husband. I go cook the best food. The best food ever he ever get in his whole life. I mean, no say he love me, you know. Jin just a go on like he no love me. But you will love me after you eating this food. This food. Hey. I can't catch up my fire. We'll cook right now. When Jin get this a food yeah, the nicest food ever. This is all in one. I am cooking curry goat, oxtail with gungo rice and peas for me man. This is oxtail big and black in. Lord, look how me go and meat shop with me good money and beg the man cut up the oxtail for me. No, me no hand no knife. You know what? Jin, we name anything. So me a cook it whole the same way. I can't take them cow foot here, man. Hard to cook. But when Jin chew up this cow foot, because hey, yeah, Jin, you know I love you. This oxtail and cow foot that I'm cooking for you, and curry goat, gungo rice and peas, everything in a one. You see your maga, you have to get fat. Jin, I go get, hey! Ah. I'm going to show me a little seasoning in it now. Jin, you know I love you, my darling. I love you with all my heart. Jin, I should have put my shoes lace in there now. Because Jin love me, I'm shoes lace. And I could have tied Jin. So Jin can't leave me. Jin a virgin. But this food after Jin eat it, can't leave me. Anyway, me go, Jin, you shall follow. Happy birthday to Jin. Happy birthday to Jin.
Wait. Wow, bro.
Yo, make a take my chips.
Thanks. Strong. Hey, that's sweet.
Yo,
And
me
see
can't,
chips.
me can't be some madman at a bump and I can't take my chips to beef bar. Yo, where you come from, man?
Come on.
Yo, Johnny!
Come on. Hey, come on, me yard.
Come in your yard? What do you mean come in your yard?
Where does you live? I live in my house. I'm see you.
Jesus
I'm see you asleep. So I say, you carry chips to me?
Me can't chips for you?
Yeah, then
Yo, I chew because me don't want to give myself a
so you want
problem,
some?
man.
You
Because
want some? Come and get some.
No, move fast with something, man. Backside here. Go with the chips, man. Go over so. Yo, Johnny! Yo, go on where you going, man. Madman, go on where you going. Madman, go on where you go. Jeez and pity must. Johnny! What if you have madman in that place here?
Come on, go.
Yo, go on where you going, man.
But you want juice too, no?
Beg with juice. Yo, move first, man. You take my chips and you come go on. You beg for juice. Man, step away from me, I see the man.
I want your pepper.
What do you mean pepper?
You know the other one.
Johnny, what if you have mad people in that place here? I want to go on with us now.
This is a little bit upset.
Upset?
You know, have to...
Go, alright, go on. Let's go on. Before you get me upset for real. Go on, we are gonna mad man. Me no want no, me good.
Yeah, my one juice.
Beef, man, me can't believe say Johnny a mad. Yo,
see.
Johnny, me I left for your place, you know.
No go away. Left a juice too, no?
Beep. Beep, beep. Beep. Beep, beep, beep. Wake up.
What you want?
Wake up.
What you want?
Carry dinner for you. Dinner.
What?
Dinner. Carry dinner for you.
Oh.
Me
Where you
carry
want
dinner
food?
for you. You know say me love you. And me buy Benz. So me and you drive. We are going to Rick's Cafe later. Me carry bath soap for you too. You can bathe. Dinner, rice and peas. And chicken and fish with lobster. Curry goat and shrimp. Mind the turnover is still in my pot. The hot. Me just take it off my fire. Sorry. You know, so me love you already, you know, Jane. You see that Benz here? And me and your lick go straight through on a Rick's Cafe later. And you know, so me love you already. Me and you have to marry.
Where you cook?
Pepper in there. Whole heap of pepper, scotch pan it. You like it? Smell good? That's a lobster. Taste it. Me cook shrimp, chicken and fish and lobster for you. Rice and peas and curry goat. In a pot.
They know say you're a mad woman.
Eh? Eh?
You ever cook this guy conky, man?
You no eat lobster?
This dry. This no cook.
Gravy down in a bottom of my pot.
No, but this no cook.
It cook, taste it.
You're a mad woman. This
Yes,
you ever
yes.
cook, but never give man that for eat. You ever put gravy, you ever cook it in, you ever put in a pressure cooker and cook it properly. You can't give me that.
Jane, you know me love you.
Never.
Me and you married.
Ever. No.
And we can drive in our car and go up Margaritaville. We can go to Jungle and Wendy's. Run a Rick's Cafe.
You have a license?
We no use license. We run the road.
No, you have to have a license. My mother tell me, say, if you don't have license, you can't go to school.
You want license to go to school?
You have to have a license to go to school. Remember, say, if you learn, you have to pay. If you pay,
Why you talk like you know no sense? You know say you fool?
You come in me and be disrespectful?
Eh? You need to left from your son. Me buy one house to me and you. And the Benz here, and me and you are go in there. No girl not come in there. Me and you. No boy can come in there either. It's me and you. You got beach later?
That's very nonsense.
I will put on my G-string for you.
No, man.
Eh?
No, man.
You don't want no man? You don't want no man. What you want? Hmm?
Stay to myself. On my bed.
You're a virgin.
Don't
You're a
bother me.
virgin.
Me see woman already. Move.
So
Me know how woman look.
why you tell me say your mother give your name Jin? I mean name Ver. We match. Virgin. Virgin.
That don't make sense.
Virgin. Me and you married.
That don't make sense.
Yes.
My verse spell S-E-N.
Eh? You is not Ver. Me is Ver. You is Jin. You forgot your name. You fool.
My gin
You're mad people.
spell S-E-N.
You are mad people.
S-E-N. Go. Mad woman. And carry this stuff. Make him and food and a cookie.
And sweet pepper, you're pretty much up on for sweet pepper.
I would say a 300 a pound.
Alright, give me half pound.
31 you want.
Hmm?
That's small one.
Alright, Irish. How much a pound for Irish?
250.
Give me 1 pound. And I need garlic.
100.
Okay, thank you.
1 pound.
You sure you want one look one? One nice look one.
This good?
You sure?
Yeah, man. I remove this. Good.
And they look hard.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Alright.
I'm going to need
Then
one
a
pound.
scallion. 100.
Me like that one here, how much a pound for them here?
Red one.
Yeah.
800.
So me can, how much
Four.
time me can get?
400. Yeah, we get time, man.
Quarter
Half-
pound.
Quarter pound, yeah, man. Onion, 300 a pound.
I mean, I really love it. Yeah, I have one on them.
Very nice.
Hello? What's up? You know, I'm in the town. Me come to the market to get some stuff. What's happening? What? So, all right. So wait. So hold on. Huh? All right. I'm gonna have to stop what I'm doing. I'm coming. So where exactly are you? So where's she now? So I should come to the station or what should I do? Alright, thanks. I'm coming. Alright, I'm coming, thanks. Oh, Jesus, there. Alright, I'm gonna have to wrap up now. Just check off them here and tell me. Me need one bag. Oh, give me 1 pound of sweet pepper, please, and just make that be it. And tell me how much everything comes.
Let me out. You police boy, you think that me no see my sister around the corner that day? Me go tell me sister man. Yeah. You. And my sister man buy me bag juice and bull all the while she tell anything she do. My sister man will buy me bag juice. You can't do me nothing. You better take off your handcuff off of me. Me not stand there look through. Where I look through the mirror for me for? You see ugly. You know, you favor my father. You're my father, friend. You damn idiot. Move. Let me out. Let watch him. You're dead for hungry. My sister buy me KFC. I'm going to tell Marsha if you're not there with you. You have your woman. You. But you handcuff me, can't lock me up, but me mash up people's vehicle. You idiot. You tell me if you mash up it. Go take off your handcuff off of me. You say if you never put your handcuff on me, bust up your head. Open the door and you will see. You can't do me nothing. I tell your wife for you move. Idiot. Me don't want to sleep. I tell me sister, you idiot. You dirty. I know you may attack. I am sorry. Me sorry. You can't let me go, please. Because me I'm going to tell me sister. You idiot. No, chat to me.